हाय आलोक।
हाय हाय, हाउ आर यू?
आई एम गुड, हाउ आर यू?
मैं बहुत बढ़िया हूँ। सवाल मेरा आपसे है कि आप इस एक्सेंट में बात कर रहे हैं, इसी तरीके से 3-4 पासपोर्ट आपके और देखे गए थे, तो अलग अलग तरीके के इंसान आप इस फिल्म में दिखाई देंगे। तो थोड़ा बताएं कि कौन था चार्ल्स और किस तरीके का था, क्या तैयारियां रही आपकी? क्योंकि हमने तो सिर्फ गूगल पे पढ़ा है और उसके अलावा कुछ जानते नहीं।
हमने भी गूगल पे ही पढ़ा है दोस्त। चार्ल्स, अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर स्टडी, मेरे ख्याल से चार्ल्स को खुद भी नहीं पता वो कौन है। उसने इतने रूप बदल चुका है और इतने वो खुद से और दुनिया से झूठ बोल चुका है कि उसको खुद भी नहीं शायद पता है। उसका सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम मेरे ख्याल से ये थी कि वो एक बहुत डिसफंक्शनल फैमिली से था और फ्रांस और वियतनाम के बीच में वो इतना घूमा कि उसके पास दोनों देशों से नेशनैलिटी नहीं थी। तो उसकी सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम थी कि उसके पास कोई नेशनैलिटी, कोई आइडेंटिटी नहीं थी। उसको कॉम्पनसेट करने के लिए वो अलग अलग आइडेंटिटियाँ अपने आप को वो बना सकता था, क्योंकि उसकी खुद की कोई आइडेंटिटी नहीं थी। तो मेरे ख्याल से सबसे बड़ी कैरेक्टर की ये है कि वो अपनी खुद की आइडेंटिटी बनाते बनाते खुद को खो गया, मेरा ख्याल से। दूसरा, मेरे ख्याल से चार्ल्स ऐसा आदमी है जो कि ह्यूमन रिलेशंस में, ह्यूमन इंटरेक्शंस में बहुत अच्छा है। वो आपसे मिलके, आपसे थोड़ी देर बात करके आप ही की जैसे बातें करने लग जाएगा। तो वो इतना अपने आप को अडैप्टिव बना चुका है कि वो खुद कहता है कि जब तक लोग हैं, as long as there are people involved, I will get out of any situation. So he has mastered the human relationship and human interaction, which really sets him apart from other people. But I don't know how smart he is, because he spent like 30-40 years of his life in jail. And I feel that once he's outside the jail, he feels less important. And I think that is why he keeps going back and keeps doing things for that. I think he's a great marketer. I think he really knows how to create stories and then sell them. When he was released from prison in India and he was sent to France, which happened because first France government refused to take him. Then there were 3 Marines caught, or 3 fishermen caught from France, who were taken prisoners by India, and France wanted them back. So India put a condition that we will give you those prisoners back if you take Charles with you. So finally चार्ल्स को उन्होंने पासपोर्ट दिया। चार्ल्स ने अपनी पिक्चर्स, पेरिस में लैंड होने वाली पिक्चर्स ऑलरेडी लाइफ मैगजीन को बेच दी थी। ही लैंडेड देयर विद अ ब्राउन पेपर बैग ऑन हिज हेड। सो दैट इज द काइंड ऑफ मैन ही इज, एंड rest you'll find out in the movie. I think we have also tried to explore him as much as you are very interested in him. We have also been very interested in him. We have spent many years detailing his character, and we are hoping that he likes it.
प्रवाल, एक लाइन है ट्रेलर में कि गौतम बुद्ध का अवतार है चार्ल्स। तो आपको लगता है कि इसमें कोई कंट्रोवर्सी या कुछ ऐसा हो सकता है आने वाले दिनों में? क्योंकि वैसे ही एडल्ट फिल्म है तो बहुत
पहली बात, जो भी रणदीप सर ने कहा है वो हमारे फिल्म के कैरेक्टर के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, ना कि आपके गूगल वाले चार्ल्स के बारे में। तो ये जो हमारे फिल्म का कैरेक्टर है उसके बारे में उन्होंने बताया है। और दूसरी बात, गौतम बुद्ध का अवतार है। द कैरेक्टर विच आई हैव रिटन, देयर आर many व्यूज ऑन हिम। सो इफ समबडी थिंक्स दैट ही इज as pious and a great spiritual leader as Gautam Buddha, there's nothing wrong. Yeah, thank you.
Hi Richa, this is Urvi here. Yeah. Hi, you were seen playing a very bold role in the film. What were the kind of preparations you have done for the film, and was it difficult to slip into your character?
Hi, define bold. Is it the bedsheet?
No, just the entire portrayal of your character, the dialogue that you start off with, that
I want to have sex with him.
Yeah, so
Who wouldn't? Thing is,
I'm embarrassed now.
Okay, that was for the character.
yeah. The character had to be such that um, the character that Randeep plays in the film, which is called Charles, has that power over, I would even say, even men and women. He had some seduction, some allure, something mysterious about him. And you want to get to know him, you want to spend time with him. You'd go to any extent to see, to do what he asks you to. So in that sense, it was one of the most interesting characters I've played. And no preparation, because Praval was very precise about what he wanted. In fact, even in a look which had no dialogues or just a response to something that he said, he was really precise, so I didn't have to work that hard at all. I just had a blast.
We did spend a lot of time together getting comfortable though.
In the jail.
Hi, good afternoon. This is Shilpa from India Today. My question is to you, Randeep. Hi, right in front of you. Hi. So did you or the team ever try to reach out to the real Charles?
Well, he thinks that he's got the exclusive on everything, so we don't want to disturb him. But our whole thing comes from the charge sheet that was filed, and the research that we did, and all the information we got from Mr. Amod Kant, because this is his account of the jailbreak, of which Charles is a character. I would personally like to go and meet him and show the film, so that we can tell him and we can show him how accurate we have been from all the information we've had. I'm sure that he'd be thrilled by after watching this movie. So I'm really wanting to meet him. I'm sure every person I talk to, especially women I talk to that I might be going to meet him, they all say, I want to come along, I want to come along. So it is my big calling card these days. So whoever, all of you want to meet Charles, please contact me. I might, see what merit you're on.
Right, Randeep, like you said, this is one of the most voyeuristic cases around. So many people are enthralled by it. And I'm obviously not going to ask you whether you identified with playing the character, but at any point did you empathize with him? And was that scary for you at some point?
Of course I empathize with him. How can you play a character without empathizing with the character? No, I didn't feel sorry for him at all. I think he really knows what he's doing. In fact, he's very good at knowing what he's doing. In fact, I sometimes feel and get up in my sleep and think that maybe he knows what I'm doing. It's very strange. Sometimes I get up in the night and I feel, oh shit, does he know I'm sleeping? Is he around? Can he see me? So that's the kind of omnipresence that this character has, and he has been a part of every life. In fact, there's a very strange thing that Mr. Amod Khan told us. We were going to go meet him, and he says, don't go meet him. I said, why? He says, 70 years old, what's he going to do? He says, no, you're going to come back doing what he wants you to do instead of what you want to do, and you will be so believing that it is what you want to do. So that is the power of his understanding of human psyche and relationships.
Hi Randeep. After Kick, the films you have signed have been all have been biopics, be it Rangrasiya or Mayor Charles, and your next film, that is Sarabjit. So how difficult it becomes for you to play someone else on the big screen every time, like adapting someone else?
I think I get bored of myself very quickly, and playing another character who's lived a life, and because he's lived a life, you know all kinds of informations about him. But ultimately, brother, whichever film you're doing, biopic, non-biopic, or whatever, it is a part, you are playing a script. Ultimately, you are playing a script which has been given to you. How much truth you can instill in it is between your and director's interactions. But mostly you have to follow the script, not the real life, because a script is a concise a filtration of real life. Otherwise, we'll have to make a movie 20 years long or 40 years long. You know what I mean? So you have to follow the script, but I do find all these characters very interesting, fascinating, and I think that is the best part of my job, is to live many lives without the real repercussions, and that's what thrills me.
And what kind of cinema attracts you the most, like a commercial cinema or a film or a biopic?
Cinema attracts me, man. It is you people and certain other people who decide whether it's commercial or it's not commercial or at all. you do your job the same way and with the same interest.
Randeep, on your right, Randeep here. Yeah. Congratulations to you and the team for the trailer. It's
Thanks, brother. Thank you.
Yeah,
We need your wishes also.
Yeah, we have.
Have you prayed for us yet?
Okay, first I'll ask my question to you. आप हमेशा कॉप के रोल में दिखाई दिए, भले वो वंस अपॉन टाइम हो या जनरल 2 हो, इस बार यू आर ऑन द लॉ, अदर साइड ऑफ द लॉ. सो हाउ वाज इट प्लेइंग द अदर साइड, द डेविल साइड?
I definitely find it more interesting.
So were you waiting
Unless
for,
I'm playing a drunk cop, then I can drink on the set.
So were you waiting for such a script जिसमें आप you could play something different and image change?
This film has been first it was discussed 5 years ago, brother. So I have done at least 15 to 20 movies since, so I've not been waiting for this script. It was a script that I wanted to be a part of for a very long time, and finally we've seen the day where we have made it, and now we are out with it. And I think that journey itself has been so full of learning and experience that I do not think about which role I'm doing. I'm just so excited about sharing this story with people.
आदिल, आपसे सवाल है, ये मैं का किरदार निभा रहे हैं आप फिल्म में, तो मैं इधर आपके लेफ्ट में, तो ये मैं कौन है और एग्जैक्टली किस तरीके से आप?
बहुत सारे मैं हैं, like all of as you see, Nandu ji, he's playing the person who actually apprehended him physically, and Mr. Zende, he plays Zende. Alex is there, and Richa plays. So all of us are men, and I play Amod Kant, as he was mentioning, the person who was the mastermind behind his conviction, because you. So Amod Kant was the mastermind behind his conviction because he came to know about his intention why he broke out of the jail, and he found out, and I don't want to give the whole story. Director साहब, आप मुझे रोक दीजिए कि बस यहाँ तक बोलिएगा. So he finds out why he has, broken out of the jail, and then he makes sure that he takes it almost personally that this man cannot be in the society, cannot run around freely in the society. He makes sure. So that kind of conviction and kind of honesty and integrity this character has, Amod Kant. And that's what I play.